Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox unexpected error. Unexpected client behavior problem isn't quick. If you want to fix it, first all you need to do, just type here, background apps. Now just turn off all the background apps here and then close this window. Now click right click here and go to task manager, and here click startup. Now disable the applications that you don't want to start when you start your PC, like Spotify. Right click on it and click disable, and after that restart your PC, and after restarting your PC try again. And I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.